guys, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't joined us before, we are Roaming with the Richards. My name's Jonathan. My wife Angelica was not able to attend this event with us today, but we are back here at Carowinds on Saturday, June 13th for the Bands in Residence events that's going on. So it's be like 3 shows, I believe. We're going to show those locations, but also today starts the Gazillion Bubble Show, and we're going to go ahead and check that show out as well. All right, so over here at the Carowinds Theater, this is where you're going to be able to do the Gazillion Bubble Show. It is different time slots in the afternoon. First one will be about like 1:15, 1:45, something like that. So we're going to show off the sign and show off the theater and check it out.
Guys? Good. I'll take it. Let's do it one more time. You're doing great. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Please smile.
All right, guys, so that's an amazing show. Really great addition here for Carowinds for this summer. It does end on July 5th. July 5th would be the last day for this show, so definitely come out between now up to July 5th to check it out. All right, so in front of the gazebo right behind me, this is where one of the shows are going to be at for the bands in residence. Today is going to be Charlie John. He's going to be performing today the 13th until the 16th, and then they'll switch it out for somebody else right here at the gazebo. So we're going to go ahead and check out his performance a little bit and show that.
Get real high and I scream at the top of my lungs, what's going on?
The crate has been open, and now we can see the actual log flume car out here in the open where the teaser box was at for Rip Roaring Falls. All right, so over by Paul Meadows inside the Shore Club is going to be the next act, and that's going to be the Berries.
I'm gonna take it to the top, oh, so baby hold on to me. Whatever will be, will be. The future is ours to see. So baby hold on to me, hey baby.
All right, so our final performance that we need to see ourselves and show y'all is Heat Above, and that's gonna be right behind us right now over here by the Thunderstrucker Plaza. Let's go check them out. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for us today here at Carowinds. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, help us out. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch y'all next time. Thanks for watching. Later.
Healthy bubble. A healthy ocean